What's new with Microsoft Copilot's Wave 2? Imagine a workspace where AI collaborates with you, turning ideas into lasting assets. Copilot Pages is that revolutionary tool, enabling real-time editing and sharing, making teamwork seamless and client communication more effective. With Copilot Pages, project management becomes a breeze. Teams can harness AI to streamline tasks, ensuring every piece of information is accessible and editable, fostering a dynamic and collaborative environment. Excel just got smarter with Python integration. Now you can perform advanced data analysis without coding skills, using natural language queries to unlock insights and make data-driven decisions effortlessly. Imagine asking Excel to forecast trends or perform machine learning tasks. This integration empowers users to dive deeper into data, delivering actionable insights faster and with minimal effort. Meet Copilot agents, your new AI-powered assistants. These agents automate tasks, streamline operations, and manage knowledge bases, transforming how businesses handle customer inquiries and internal processes. By automating workflows, Copilot agents save time and enhance efficiency. They provide quick answers and insights, ensuring faster resolution of customer support queries and smoother internal operations. Discover how new features in Teams, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Word enhance productivity. From summarizing meetings to prioritizing emails, these updates streamline communication and document management. Copilot in OneDrive enhances file management by summarizing and comparing documents without opening them. This feature is particularly beneficial for clients managing complex documentation, saving time and improving data handling efficiency. By leveraging these tools, you save time and boost efficiency. Embrace these innovations to transform your workflow and stay ahead in your industry.